Well, it's 3 a.m. on Sunday, January 5, 2025. Almost said 4. Yeah. And I woke up early to check this snow forecast, or the radar anyway. Yeah, they said it was going to snow. It looks like there's snow and ice. Yeah. I'm more in the snow area. I'm more surrounded by snow, though. The ice is more to the south. The purple is ice, the blue is snow, and the green is rain. Yeah, it's warmer down south, so it's rain. And then in between the snow and rain, there's ice. But that's south of me, too. But looks like there's some around St. Louis, so it could be moving this way, too. All right. Well, that's the way it goes. At least I was expecting it, according to the forecast, so I can't say I wasn't warned. Anyway, just have to take it as we get it, because we can't stop it. Alright. I've had snow before. In my younger days, we had lots of snow. I remember one time we had like 3 feet. That's where I used to work at a lumber company, and it was mostly we worked all our work was done out in a shed that was open on the south side. But after that snow, the thing collapsed, and they had to build a new shed. They had to build a new building, and we were working. Only the roof collapsed. The equipment was still okay underneath, where we sorted lumber and stuff like that. But they had to put a new roof on. So while they were doing that, we were working underneath the people putting on a new roof, an iron roof. Anyway, it was way back in the 80s, early 80s. I think it was 82. Yeah, I remember that. I remember them snow drifts on the road. Our neighbor had a backhoe, and he would dig a he dug a path through the snow drifts, but it was only able to drive one vehicle at a time. So if you met somebody had to back up. Yeah, the snow was big. Anyway, that was back then in '82. So I think we're only going to get 3 to 5, maybe 6 inches out of this. Maybe we'll see. That's what I woke up to see if there's snow in my area, and there is. When I was in school, when I was young, I used to like when it snowed because we get a snow day, no school. So today's going to be a snow day, no work. Yeah, that's why I fed the cattle yesterday, so I wouldn't have to do nothing today while it's snowing. Although eventually I might have to do some shoveling after it's all done. If I want to go somewhere, I have to shovel my way out. But I'll wait until the township clears the roads. Yeah, snow plows the roads. So we'll see. See what happens. I'm okay. I got plenty of supplies, so I'm not worried. I can hunker down and wait it out. Weather forecast for today, Sunday, January 5, 2025. And the forecast is snow. So, and I think it's snowing outside now, but I haven't looked. It's too dark to take a look. I'll check it when daylight comes. Daylight come and I want snow. Daylight come and I don't want snow, but I'm going to get it anyway. All right, catch you later. Well, it's about 22 degrees around 3:30 a.m. And I can hear, I think I hear sleet. Not heavy, but it's like a sleet. I can't see nothing, it's so dark, but I'm going to go take a look anyway. Yeah, I can hear the sleet. I can feel it too. Yeah, it's like let me see if I can get a closer look at it. I was wrong, it's freezing rain. Yeah, that's not sleet. Sleet would be loose. This is ice. You can see it on the wall too. Yeah, it's hitting Hey, it's freezing rain, which is the worst. Because you can't drive on this stuff. Can't drive on this at all. You just slide around. So I won't be going anywhere today. Yeah, I can hear the sleet. Sleet, freezing rain, however you want to call it, but it's sticking together. It's forming a hard crust on everything. And I guess later on it might snow, so I don't really consider this snow. This is more like a freezing rain. Yeah. I don't know how thick it's going to get. I had this experience when I used to work, and when it's like this, you just can't drive. I had a few close calls when I had to drive on this stuff to go to work. Yeah, it's not good. But luckily, I don't have to go anywhere, so that's good. I don't have to worry about going to a job anymore. All right, I'm gonna go back in the house and stay warm. This is the radar at 5 a.m. Yeah, it's heading. Looks like it's headed east. Most of our weather comes from the west and heads east. Sometimes from the south and sometimes from the north, but this one looks like it's coming from the west and heads east. Yeah. Looks like I'm in that section there, that little clear area. So the heavy snow is to the south of me, but I'm in that clear area. So not sure what I'm going to get today, but there's a line of ice here. Yeah, there's plenty of snow out here too. I mean, that keeps going that way. Well, snow's a coming. Around 3:30, I went outside in a.m. and I saw some ice on the. But it's still too dark to see anything, so I'll wait till it gets light. Oh, it got colder. It's 20 degrees now. I think it was 22 degrees around what, 3:30. It's still icing or snowing or whatever you want to call it. Oh, the wind's blowing. Oh boy, it's cold. Oh, I can't stay out here too long. Oh, it's cold. Wind blowing. It's trying to snow, but it's more like icy snow. It's hard. That snow's hard when it hits you. Oh boy. Oh. I better go check the cattle, see what they look like. Oh boy. Alright. Yeah, it's about 8 a.m. right now. 8 a.m. And I don't know if you can tell, but I can see the snow there. Yeah. Yeah. It's windy and cold and trying to some kind of snow, hard snow. Oh, there's the bale, little cattle. Looks like they rolled it a little bit. I think. I'm not sure. Yeah. There's the bale from last week. I can barely see it. Okay. I'm cold. Too cold. Yeah. Snow is hard when it hits my face. Alright, I want to check the west side. Oh, cold. I gotta go back in the house. Too cold out here. Well, it's snowing, icing, whatever you want to call it. It's just after 8 a.m. on, what's today? Sunday. Oh, I forgot what day it was. Sunday, January 5, yeah. January 5, 2025. Yeah. Okay. Too cold out here. Gotta go back in the house. One more view. A view from the porch. front porch on the west side. There's the pond. Got a lot of slush on it right now, but it's getting colder. Colder today now than it was this morning. I'm not sure where the cattle are, but I'm guessing they're in the barn. That's where they should be in this weather. Yeah, if I would have thought it better, I should have put a bale of hay in the barn. I didn't think of it. Probably because I had manure in there. I didn't move that yet. Anyway, let's go back in the house where it's warm. You can see the snow now. Flakes are getting bigger. Snow flakes are getting bigger. But they still hurt when they hit the face, though. I think it's changing more to snow now. A little bit better. First layer was mostly ice. Early this morning it was more icy. Like freezing rain type stuff. Or sleet, something like that. Anyway, my phone's getting cold. Gotta go in. It's 8:14 a.m. on Sunday, January 5, 2023. Yeah. Oh, my phone shut off by itself because it was too cold. I just got it going again. Yeah, phone gets too cold, it just shuts down. It sucks the power out of the battery too, that cold. Okay. I'm in the house now. I'm gonna stay warm. If I feel like it later, I'll later on today I'll venture out and go to the barn and see how the cattle are doing up there. Okay. Good time to take a nap. Well, this is the weather radar as of 8:15 a.m. today, showing lots of snow and some ice and even some rain farther south. So that's for the temperature. Colder to the north, warmer to the south. Okay. And let's see, where am I? Oh boy. I'm right in this area here where it's purple. Yeah. I'm right on the line between snow and ice. So probably getting both. Okay. Gotta stay warm. Alright. Catch you later. Oh boy. So cold I had to come inside the house. Warm up. Phone too. Snow's coming down pretty good. I'm recording this through my window. Okay. Alright. I don't know if I can see the snow or not. But I can't. Okay. Let's go back to being warm. Takes a while to warm up once your core gets cold. That's for sure. I was a little bit incorrect earlier at 8:15 a.m. on Sunday, January 5, 2025. I said 2023 before. It must have been so cold my brain wasn't working so good. Anyway, it's 2025, not 3. I just can't get used to this New Year thing. I even skipped a year backwards. Alright, catch you later then. Well, it's almost 11 a.m. now, and the snow has slowed down. I still feel a little bit, but I don't see very much. And the wind's really strong from the north. Actually, it's coming in from the east, northeast now. Anyway, I didn't go check the cattle yet. I'm sure they're okay. They're Highlanders. They can take it. Okay, I'm gonna go head to the west side and see what that looks like. Didn't snow too much. yet, but there's still, I think there's still some more on the way. Still out west, over in Missouri and Kansas and other western states, or should I say midwestern states, west of here anyway. You can see there's not, snow ain't very deep, or whatever it's called. You can tell by the top of that too, the top of the bales. It's still snowing a little bit. I can see it. It's real fine snow or sleet, something. Anyway. And there's still more snow out to the west, so I'll just have to wait and see how much accumulates today. Oh, look at that. Got some snowmobile, can you say it? Snowmobilers, yeah. I haven't seen, that's the first time I've seen them for a long time. Yeah. Well, it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be, but it ain't over yet, so I'm not going to guess how much I'm going to get. Right now, though, this amount of snow ain't so bad. Well, they haven't cleaned the road yet, otherwise they would be able to use that snowmobile. Okay, well, I'm going to head back in the house, stay warm. Just another radar weather update, or weather radar update. This is at 12 noon today, and there's snow to the north, and where I'm at, I'm probably getting a mixture of ice and snow right on the borderline. Okay, alright, catch you later. Well, it's 12:30 p.m. This is what the radar looked like. It's right around 1 p.m. now. So, looks like the storm is moving from the southwest. Listen to the air. The moisture is coming up from the southwest, but the storm is moving this way, moving northeast and east at the same time. So it's all moving across. But the moisture is coming up from the south, and then it's hitting that cold air, turning to snow. Okay. Alright, I'll catch you later. Still, I'm in the lower portion of this. Yeah, I'm right at the cutoff. Somewhere right in that opening there. That's about where I am. Okay, right where the pink meets the blue. Pink, purple, whatever. Alright, I'll catch you later. Well, it's 24 degrees at 5 p.m. So still cold, but looks like there's not much snow. It's not snowing much. Luckily I didn't get too much snow, but I guess the storm isn't over yet, so I have to be patient. I might still get some more snow because there's still snow out there to the west. We'll see. Alright, I want to check the snow depth. Well, I didn't actually measure it, but I'm just estimating that it's about 2 inches. But I don't know, it's mostly ice, or it's like a hard pack snow. You know, it's hard to explain. It's like a sleet. Yeah, I still feel moisture in the air though. It's hitting me in the face, but it's real fine. I never did find the cattle, but maybe I'll check later. Maybe I'll check it now. before I get too cold. Oh, there's the cattle. Yeah, and look, they're even let little bully eat with them. Well, sort of. They rolled the bale used to be there, and they rolled it over here, and he's eating on the edge there, but she's still shaking her head at her, trying to keep a distance between them. Yeah, but at least they're eating. That's good. All right, I've seen enough. There you go. That's how deep the snow is. 2 or 3 inches, anyway. Yeah, it's real stiff snow, if you can say that, stiff. There's a fine mist of moisture hitting my face. Good head. Yeah. And there's my tracks in the snow. Snow is it's the consistency of a snow cone. Yeah, it's like an ice. Yeah, a snow cone. There's some more of my tracks in the snow. It's 5 p.m. on Sunday, January 5, 2025, and there's still a light mist in the air, wetness anyway. I don't know if it's snow or what, but it's probably like a freezing rain. Anyway, the sun's already went down. Couldn't tell whether there was no sunset, but sun's down already. But everything's bright with the snow. Yeah, it's not very deep yet, but there's still some more snow out there, I think, coming this way. But I think it's mostly ice, freezing rain type snow. Okay. Yeah, sun would have set right in there somewhere. Yeah. So far it ain't so bad. It ain't deep. I'm gonna walk out to the road, check the mail. Oh, there's no mail today. I'm gonna go out, check the road. I want to see if they plowed it yet. If the township did any work on it. Probably just people going by, leaving tracks. Yeah. So far I didn't get too much snow, so that's good. It ain't gonna melt anytime soon. And whenever it snows, and the snow keeps the temperature cold for a long, long time. So it's like we're in a freezer now. Well, I'm gonna make a few tracks in the snow now. It's getting dark now, but the snow keeps it right. You can hardly see my tracks coming from the house. But there's the road, the tire tracks of vehicles going by. It's not too deep, so it's okay. I think you got the deeper snow up north. Yeah, up north. We were on the dividing line, sort of. We were on the dividing line between the snow and the ice, freezing rain. So that's what we got. I'm getting cold. Phone gets too cold. Oh boy. Phone got so cold, it shut off. It also drained my battery down in the cold. Yeah, it just shuts off by itself. I had to come in, warm it up, but I ain't gonna go back out because it's getting too dark. I'll just stay in the house where it's warm now. Well, since I'm here, let me check the weather. The weather radar again. Well, that's a good example of snow to the north, ice in the middle, and then this rain to the south where it's warm. Cold to warm. When that moist air from the south meets the cold air from the north, this is what it creates. Snow, ice, or freezing rain, and rain. Anyway, let's see, where am I at? I can't really tell. I'm here on this edge here. I'm in this area here, so Most of the snow is gone for me, but there's still some coming from here. So the deeper snow is going to be up north, but always in this section most of the day, where it's ice, or it's a mixture of ice and snow. So I didn't get deep snow. I got about 2 inches of slush. It's not really slush, it's just crunchy snow. Yeah, they call it crunchy snow. It's going to be even more crunchier tomorrow. Yeah, after a good freeze tonight. Alright, that's all for now. Catch you on the next one. Bye.